You are not going to believe what happened to me the other day. I was just trying to do a nice thing, spread a little joy. I was at the park, enjoying the sunshine, and I had a small bag of birdseed. So I started sprinkling a little bit for the pigeons and sparrows. They were so happy, flocking around, chirping away. It was such a peaceful moment. And then, out of nowhere, a park official comes up to me. I thought he was going to say how nice it was, but nope. He wrote me a fine, for feeding the birds. Can you believe it? Apparently, it's against the rules in that park. I had no idea. I was just trying to be kind to the local wildlife and ended up with a fine. Has this ever happened to you? Let me know in the comments. And be sure to subscribe for more crazy stories. Thanks for watching.